Germany and France has joined hands to develop a next-generation European combat aircraft. The new fighter will complement and eventually replace the current generation Eurofighter and Rafale fighter in 2035 to 2040 timeframe. Airbus and Dassault signed an agreement to jointly develop the aircraft at the ILA Berlin 2018 Airshow. Advanced features include automatic target detection and signature management system to stay away from enemy air defense system envelope. The aircraft will be equipped with advanced sensor suite capable of ISR data fusion and distribution. The twin-engine low observable fighter will be powered by an advanced engine developed jointly by German MTU and French Safran. The aircraft will also have command and control over unmanned swarming drones which can be assigned tasks like jamming. Demonstrators are planned to be developed by 2025.